In this video, I will show how to open any file or folder directly from Excel. So, right click on any cell where you want to insert the link. Like in my case, I want to insert the link here. Right click and click on link. Also, you can use the shortcut Ctrl I, Alt I. So, right click and link. Here, select your drive, like desktop. Select the file, then click on OK. You can change the name from here. Once you click on it, so you can open that file directly from Excel. You can add link for any type of file like PDF, image, picture, video. Same method, right click, then link and select that file. Write display name. Then click on OK. So without going to File Explorer, you can give the link, you can open that file directly from Excel. Thanks for watching.